Good morning, Father. We are proud to present our project as a part of the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025, a nationwide innovation challenge for school students organized by the Department of School Education and Literacy in collaboration with the Atal Innovation Mission. The theme of this Buildathon is Atmanirbhar Bharat, meaning self-reliant India. It encourages young minds to design solutions that make our nation technologically advanced and sustainable. We are Team Future Minds from Chawra Vidyapeeth. Our team members are myself, Revant Lonawat, Rudransh Yadav, Pramanshi Kaurav, Prabhav Sahu, and Pranjal Pali. We are truly grateful to have this opportunity to participate in such a prestigious event that promotes innovation for a Viksit Bharat by 2047. We noticed that a large amount of electrical energy is wasted in lighting up street lights throughout the night. During late night hours, very few vehicles or pedestrians are present on roads, yet all lights remain on continuously. This results in massive electricity wastage and increased power consumption. Moreover, since most of the India's electricity is still generated from coal and hydropower plants, this wastage leads to higher electricity costs, depletion of natural resources, and greater air pollution and global warming. Thus, there is a need for a smart and automatic lighting system that conserves electricity without compromising safety. The main objective of our project is to design a smart automatic street lighting system that reduces unnecessary electricity usage, minimizes environmental pollution, saves non-renewable energy resources, and supports India's vision of a clean and green Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Our proposed solution uses a sensor-based system that automatically turns street lights on when a vehicle or pedestrian is detected and off when the road is empty. This intelligent automation ensures that lights operate only when needed, saving significant amounts of energy every night. It is an affordable and scalable idea that can be implemented on highways, city roads, and especially in rural areas. Our project includes a PIR motion sensor to detect movement, an LDR to sense day and night, transistors and relays for switching control, and LED lights as the main light source. It is powered by a DC supply or solar panel to make it energy efficient. We also used wires and resistors for circuit connections. All these components work together to make the system automatic and eco-friendly. So let you know how our project works. Our project works automatically using a PIR motion sensor, LDR, transistors, relays, and LED lights. During the day, the LDR detects sunlight and keeps all lights off to save power. When it becomes dark, the LDR activates the circuit, allowing the PIR sensor to start work. As soon as a vehicle or person passes by, the PIR sensor detects the movement and switches the lights on. When the road becomes empty again and no motion is detected, the relay turns the lights off automatically after a short delay. This way, the lights glow only when needed, reducing electricity wastage. This system can also be powered by solar energy, making it both energy efficient and environmentally friendly.
Our automatic street lighting system can be used on highways, city roads, and residential areas, also in villages, parks, and campuses to save electricity by lighting only when electricity is needed. It helps reduce power consumption, electricity bills, and pollution by using energy efficiently. The system also supports the use of renewable energy by using solar power, making it eco-friendly and sustainable. It requires low maintenance, is cost-effective, and can be an important step towards developing smart cities and achieving the vision of a clean and energy-efficient Atmanirbhar Bharat. Finally, I can say that our project, Smart Automatic Street Lighting System, is a step towards building a sustainable and self-reliant India. It supports the government's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and the dream of a Viksit Bharat by 2047 by combining innovation, technology, and environmental care. By saving energy and reducing pollution, our system can make Indian streets smarter, safer, and greener. Thank you for listening.